Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Nissan Murano and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Now most of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is just here. Now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So I want to press it and lift up to unlock it. Okay, just like that. And on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so the main radio fuse is fuse number 35. It's a 15 amp fuse located up here. And this is the fuse responsible for power to audio, front display, rear display, navigation control unit, DVD player and video distributor. So this is your main radio fuse. And then you will have three more fuses here, and those are the ones just down here. So first two, upper two are your amplifier fuses. You'll be checking this if there is no sound coming from the speakers. And last one is a subwoofer fuse. So three 15 amp fuses. And that's all of them in this fuse box. Okay, there is one more fuse to check in a passenger's cabin in a small fuse box just behind this cover. So what you want to do, you want to just pull down the cover. Again, on the back side you will have a small fuse diagram, and here are all the fuses. Okay, and here you will be checking the fuse number 19, which is a red 10 amp fuse, and this is also a fuse responsible for power to the audio, radio and the front display unit. And those are all the fuses. Now hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to dig a bit deeper, maybe pull out the radio unit, check all the connections and see if there is something going on there. If not, it could be a faulty radio unit. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.